Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to change the background color of Instagram stories. For that, you need to head into Instagram. Make sure to log in on your Instagram account. That you need to tap on your story, which is at the upper left corner. When you tap on your story, you can select any photo or video you'd like to add on your story. So when you add any photo or video, then on the background you can see the gray color or something like that, which is the custom background which is given by the Instagram itself. So in order to change the background color of Instagram story, on the upper right corner you can tap on the three dotted line and you need to tap on the draw tool. On the bottom of the screen, you can see the multiple color palettes. You can select any color you would like to add as background color. Once you have selected, you need to hold down here. Here you can see that the background has already been changed, but the photo or video you had added previously has been vanished. But don't worry, after you have selected the background color, tap on the done option which is at the upper right corner. Now on the top of the screen you can see sticker icon. Tap on it and scroll down, and here you can see the plus icon. Tap on it and choose the photo or video again. And now you can change the size of this photo or video by pinching in and out with your fingers, and you can change the size and the shape of this image or video also. Once you have done that, you need to tap on the small arrow icon at the bottom right corner and tap on share. But before that, if you don't want to add this story on your Facebook, then you need to tap on your story and tap on turn off once. Now tap on share button, tap on done again, and now you have already changed the background color on Instagram stories. If you want to view it, you can tap on your story again. And so here it is guys, you have already changed the background color of Instagram story. Hope so you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.